Hello friends, today we are going to make a super refreshing, delicious Virgin Mojito, and we are using 750 ml Bisleri Soda bottle which we got for just 20 rupees. So coming to the recipe, take a glass. First we'll add powdered sugar, adjust as per your taste, and now we'll add 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves. Squeeze the juice of one lemon into the glass, and for some texture we'll cut 1/4 of the lemon into small pieces and add them in. Now add a pinch of black salt. Gently crush everything with a spoon or a muddler. Now fill the glass halfway with ice cube. This drink need to be cold so every sip feels amazing. And now the main ingredient, Bisleri soda. Fill the glass to the top with this fizzy soda and gently mix so that all the flavors come together. And that's it, your Virgin Mojito is ready. Look at this, how refreshing it looks, no? And this minty aroma, fresh summer drink, the taste, the bit of a sweet sugar, the tanginess of lemon and the freshness of mint. This was a quick and easy Virgin Mojito recipe with Bisleri. Try it at home and share with your friends, and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. So subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.